Folks, I have to tell you, I am beyond excited about Lifewave and X39. This is an answer to prayer to many.
So grateful for the energy enhancer. It makes every ride enjoyable.
Not only do I have energy all day long, but it turns the reverse and it helps me sleep at night all night long like a baby.
This is the best that I felt, honestly, in the last 2.5 years.
6 days in, no back pain whatsoever.
I've been trying the X39 patch for about a month now, and all the crackles and pops in my wrists and all my joints are gone.
The very first time I put patches on my back, I was nearly immediately relieved of low middle back pain.
After working a 10-hour shift, I used to go home and lay on the couch. Now, thanks to Lifewave X39, I get outside and I live life.
Now I can go up the stairs without being out of breath, and that's pretty great.
Lifewave has helped me to feel years younger.
It works great. My skin's getting better, my energy's amazingly better, and so is everybody else I'm patching. So grateful.
I love Lifewave, not only for helping me increase my energy so immensely in just the last couple of months, but for giving me an opportunity to help my friends and family and strangers alike. Thank you so much.